Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to Hacker Associate Broadcast. We're watching the Hacker Show. Today we are going to focus on OpenRouter. Like this is a part of my AI LLM red teaming operator training that is called COARTs. So what is OpenRouter? So let's go and understand about OpenRouter. So when you simple go to the Google and you simple search it, OpenRouter. So in short, okay, like suppose I want to build one project, okay, and again, I can't basically configure different API key like Gemini, OpenAI, Claude, Olama, or LM Studio, tons of, okay, like we have models available there, right? So this basically a problem, okay, is solved by OpenRouter. So one API key for everything. The unified interface for LLM. You think like a router, okay? Like, okay, between your application and your AI model. That is exactly called OpenRouter. So if you see, this is the API key. Okay, even if it's simple, go to that setting area or simple check the pricing. Let me click here, get API key. So you can create a API key from here, and I'm using okay different IDE. I'm using a Zed proxy. I'm using a web free model. So lot of okay API I have created. Okay, and even if you have your own key, you can basically come with this, bring your own key. But I don't want to use this particular part. I want to use OpenRouter. Even I created okay many projects with the help of OpenRouter, which I'm going to show you maybe in the next session. To understand okay today what is OpenRouter, this is exactly the mind map. Let me zoom for you. OpenRouter nothing but a single unified API. Think like a router as I mentioned. Okay, it sit between your application and the AI model. And now you have access of 200 plus models just using an OpenRouter. So if I want to show you the practical part of it, this is the Zed proxy which I'm using. And if you go further, okay, so this is the Zed agent. And now if I simply click here and the setting, you can see clearly here's OpenRouter. I need to add a API key. The tick mark which you see here, okay, it means I have configured that particular key. And when you simple go to the model area, you can see I have access of almost 100 plus models. So this is the OpenRouter. You can see how many model I can switch very easily. So no lockout thing. Okay, no session token. Okay, screen is going to come for you. So you can shift okay to Quen. You can shift to the DeepSeek. You can shift to the Cloud Opal, which is exactly I'm connected with, and tons of other things are available under this area. This is the great, specifically when you are dealing with AI red teaming or LLM model hacking. So for that purpose, I'm using this particular agent. Apart from this, if you need any other tool, so you can simply go and check from here. Let me. So simple, okay, go to the Notion and here you can see this is exactly the tool I'm using. So you can use, okay, VS Code and basically download or install plugin for OpenRouter. Second, you can use IntelliJ, PyCharm, WebStorm, JetBrains. Third, okay, you can use NeoVim. This is completely free, by the way. You can try it and you can check it out. So this is exactly the key feature. Like one is multi-model access. You will be getting a 200 plus model from OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, Meta, Mistral, and so on. Single API key for all provider, fallback routing, cost optimization, user analytics, and OpenAI compatibility. You can create any project, okay, using just single API key, and that is amazing things. Okay, and as I mentioned, what is OpenRouter? That is exactly main concept for this particular video. And I want to share, okay, why it is important for vendor independence. You are not locked in a single AI provider. If OpenAI raises prices or has a downtime, you can switch instantly to the another model. Second is cost management. Third is simplified development for reliability and redundancy. Fifth is access to open source model. And sixth is model benchmarking. And if you want to learn all these things, okay, in a very detailed manner, you can check out, okay, this program, hackerassociate.com/coart. And here, okay, you will be getting access, okay, about these models. So just go to the API key. This is the bring your own key. This is called guardrails. Okay, check all the option properly from here. And this is our program, okay, where we have launched this program called COART, Certified Offensive Red Teaming Operator. So here are the module. You can check it out. And if you're interested, please let us know. And I hope you enjoy this video and we'll see you in the next hacking episode.